Namaskar Cambridgians. Today in this chapter, the name of the chapter is Grasslands of the World. Each continent, as you are seeing the map, you can see each continent is having the major grasslands. But today, specially, we are going to know about the prairies which lies in North America. Which lies in North America in between of Canada and Mexico. That is prairies. That is prairies, which we are going to learn today. Prairie is located in between of Canada and Mexico. You have come to know. Earlier, this region was known as grazing ground for bisons. Grazing ground for the bisons. But now it is known as the largest grassland of the world, where grass can be, that is the farming can be done in the complete land. And there are many more grasslands, like you can see this map. In South America, Pampas, in Eurasia, that is Europe and Asia, steppes, Africa well, and Australia downs. These are the major grasslands. As I told you, we are learning about the prairies only. So now you have come to know about the location. The climate of prairie region is neither too hot nor too cold, because it lies, all the grasslands lies in the temperate zone. So temperate zone lies in between of torrid zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone and frigid zone, temperate grasslands lies. Next, you can see the major crops grow there. Wheat, you can see grasses there. Very large land, very vast area. Different types of wildlife. You can see in the picture the bison, badgers, hawk, and a coyote. These are the different types of wildlife there. And economical condition is very good in prairie region, as wheat grow in a very large scale and it is exported to another part of the country also. So only it is known as wheat basket of the world. The wheat grown more, they store it, that is the food grains are stored in big storage bins called silos. And most of the farming work is done by the machinery, like ploughing, sowing, harvesting, threshing. These are done by the machineries. Like you can see in the western part of prairies, which is hilly area, where the people there are cattle for business purposes, and that also has been done by the machinery. It is done by the machinery. And because of this, because of all these things, mining and industries are there. Like wheat is grown, so flour mill. When the wheat is grown in a large scale, there are flour mills. Some minerals are found, so oil refineries are there, ore crushing factories are there. So now, because of all these modern method of agriculture and development of the industries, the people living in the prairies enjoy a comfortable life.